Hey guys, my name is Sam and today I'm going to take a quick look at the Joyride Run Flyknit by Nike. These released on Thursday the 1st of August 2019 here in the UK, exclusively for Nike members, and they retailed for £160. It comes in your orange Nike box with cardboard shoe inserts. A special box and extra laces would have been nice, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. This is the new Joyride Run Flyknit by Nike. It features Nike's new cushioning system designed to keep the leg fresh, especially on recovery runs. This is done with the help of exposed tiny colourful TPE foam beads used at the sole of the shoe. Inspired by running on sand at the beach, Nike created what they call zonally toned pods. I don't think ball bags would have worked as well. Jokes aside, the pods are separated to prevent the beads from bunching up underneath the areas of low pressure like the arch and toe. This is done while still letting the beads move around the foot, especially where runners need them most. For example, the heel pod has the most amount of beads to absorb impact, especially for heel strikers, while the forefoot is more densely packed to improve ride, or should I say, joyride. The beads sit directly below the insoles, therefore the insoles are non-removable, and it features a softer double collar and rounded mango orange rope heel pull tab, which leads to easier entry, support and comfort. Despite its unique sole design, the upper resembles the Epic React Flyknit with its welded eyelets. This time the medial foot features a perforated neoprene for a soft scuba sock-like fit. I like that Nike branding is kept quite minimal with this tiny Nike swoosh at the toe, but you can see that glossy Nike swoosh that's on the medial side of the heel. Overall I like the design, it's sleek, the colours are fresh, especially the exposed sole design. But the question is this a joyful running experience? First of all, yes, you can feel the beads on the underfoot. It feels really soft and almost satisfying. Though I did find myself quickly getting used to it as the air trap between the beads escapes when it's compressed, which actually results in a softer underfoot sensation. The two main downsides with the shoe is one, stability, and the shoe does feel a little bit heavier compared to the React or Lunanon soled technology. It does feel similar to like the 90s Air Maxes, which is still fairly light, but overall a very cool and surprisingly comfortable shoe. What excites me most is the potential for bespoke personalization. For example, in the future, Nike could create, an ID option, which allows the customer to customize not just the upper and the materials, but also the pod density to suit the runner's preference. There isn't any news about that yet, but let me know if that sounds cool to you. Sizing wise, I'll stay true to size. They do fit quite snug like the Epic React, but I would go up half a size, especially since I have wider feet, if I was going to use this for just casual use. But if you're running in these, you might want to stay true to size. So here are my thoughts on the shoe, now it's time for yours. Did you manage to pick these up? Did you miss out? Let me know why in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment mango to show me you watched this video to the end. Please subscribe if you like my content, and as usual, all other links will be in the description. Apart from that, have a good day.